Yeah, guys, so just a quick update on the analysis that we had. As you can see, the S&P did trade lower and did also that low here. So right now, I'm expecting to see those buys come in. And as you can see here, we have our inverse, right? So we dropped in total soup, there's a reaction. Like I said, I always wait for a reaction and then inverse. So we got total soup reaction. Here's my inverse right here. We have a bullish inverse family gap, which I'm expecting buys from, right? So we also have the same thing here, which we are currently in the trade. So uh going from where we left off, right? We were somewhere here, and I told you guys that if the market makers wanna take price higher, they're gonna have to take out the stop losses of those who bought here, right? Because there's this low resistance liquidity right here. So that had to get taken out first. And there's also buy side. There's also buy stops resting above here. As you can see, like these equal highs here. See that? So it did obviously here now trigger the buy stops. And then what happened? Because now they see um this trade above, they see it as if it's a breakout, right? And they're looking for their buys. So all those buy stops that were entered here, they got triggered, and then what happened? Price reversed. So both the people who bought here and the people who bought here were taken out. So now what happened is that now market went back lower here, swept us low again, gave us another turtle soup, right? And then what happened right after that? We had our inverse. I looked for inverse right here. So we have this, which is basically where we entered from. So if we can just get a move to take out this high here, that'll be enough for me for today. Because I know overnight we're probably gonna have choppy price action, and I'm not gonna hold this overnight. So because we traded above this high here, my trade is I went break even. This is a risk-free trade because we took out that first high. So my trades are protected. I wouldn't break even if we were to pull back, which it looks like it's doing. I would expect it to push higher from this gap here. I don't want to see trade below here. That's why I also went break even, right? So whatever happens, happens. And yeah, I'm gonna leave this. I have my stop loss. My TP said I'm leaving this. Then if we do get that push, we'll probably get that choppy price action overnight. And then tomorrow we'll find maybe a fair value gap. Maybe this will be an inverse or whatever happens, whatever point of interest we're gonna use, and then we're gonna target this resting buy side here. So that's what I'm currently in. Look at the S&P is pushing, so Nasdaq too. If you look on NQ, I didn't see like a good entry here because I it kind of looks like an SMT here and then a push higher. Maybe we'll come back into like this gap here and then we can get a nice entry. Maybe I'll take it. If we can get a pullback into this 5 minute fair value gap. And then if we trade back into this, because it's a 5 minute fair value gap, I'm just gonna wait for the 1 minute time frame to give me like an inverse. And then I will take the buys if it gives me the right confirmations, because this is also a market structure shift here. We have a sweep, we have a market structure shift here. It's giving me more and more confluences that we're gonna go higher. Turtle soup, We have a 1 minute SMT. We have a market structure shift and a 5 minute fair value gap. And I did tell you guys that when we're talking point of interest from higher time frames like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, I will always wait for an SMT and then a market structure shift. And look, that's exactly what's happening here. And I told you guys, this happens every single time. Back test, you will see this. We have an SMT on the higher time frame now, which we just formed. We have a sell side sweep right here, which is our turtle soup, right? Uh, you go down to your lower time frame. Look at that. It gave you another SMT, a market structure shift. Right after sweeping that low here, you have another confirmation on top of that, another confluence that tells you that we're gonna push higher. So if we trade back into this, maybe I'll take it. But right now I'm gonna focus on the US31, the US30 trade that I'm in. Like I said, I don't wanna see trade below this gap. If we can trade until here and take out this buy side here, that'll be enough for me for today. Because I didn't get any trades today. This was my only trade. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see how it plays out. And yeah, I'll update you guys on what happens. This is literally how I trade every single day. This is what I look for. So I'm gonna keep posting videos like this eventually. If you're trying to learn how to trade ICT, you will get it eventually. You'll understand what I do and all that.